Hi, this is Pat with Early Literacy Matters. We've been talking about bugs, and today we made a bug box. I'm going to attach this so that you can use this paper, if it won't fly away, to make a bug box. You can just fold it up with tape and glue and make your bug box, or you can cover another box. See, I just put paper on it and covered it and then put the pictures on it. Today we're going to crawl like a caterpillar and wiggle like a worm. I have some friends here who are going to help me. Say hello. Hi. So here you go. Let's throw the box and see how we do. You ready? What did you get? What does it say?
Wiggle like a worm.
You did wiggle. Can you try? All right, throw the box gently.
Buzz like a bee. Buzz. Beep, beep, worm.
Try.
Beep, beep, worm.
You try now. Go ahead, toss it a little bit. What did you get? Move slowly like a snail. Would you like to try one more?
Okay.
All right, toss
Eat
that
grass
box.
as I go.
What does it say?
Run like an ant.
You can do that. Run, run, run.
Okay.
Ants run fast. Well, thanks for joining me.
I wanted
We
to-
had some fun doing our bug box. I hope I see you again next week for a new activity. Bye.